Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, in the previous video we did the green word. We study about the green plants and trees. And today we are going to do some more about green words. Okay students, so without wasting any time, let's get started with the concept now. Alright students, some plants bear the flowers. कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें flowers लगते हैं, right? The live examples are in front of you. For example, lotus. Lotus is the plant in which the lotus flower grows. Similarly, rose plant, sunflowers, and these are the examples. But apart from these examples, there are many. For example, marigold. Marigold is a kind of a plant where marigold flowers grows, right? So these are the plants which bear the flowers. Okay, so some flowers are those flowers which change into fruits. कुछ plants वो होते हैं जिनके ऊपर flowers लगते हैं और वो flowers किन पे turn करते हैं, किन में change हो जाते हैं, fruits और vegetables में. For example, this is the flower, right? This is the flower of a peas, sweet peas plant का ये flower है. अब जैसे जैसे कि grow होगा, it will turns into peas. ये जो flowers है, इनके ये peas बने हैं, right? So the flowers change their role into peas, right? And then it turns into the vegetable. Okay, so some flowers change into fruits or vegetables. All right, so some fruits or vegetables have the seeds inside them. कुछ fruits or vegetables वो होते हैं जिनके अंदर seeds होते हैं. For example, mango. Mango is a fruit in which the seed is there, right? Same goes with papaya. Papaya के अंदर भी काफी सारे seeds होते हैं, black seeds, right? Then is apple. As you can see in the picture, the seed is here. Similarly, kiwi में भी हमारे पास black seeds होते हैं, right? In tomato also and in peas also, right? So some fruits or vegetable have seeds inside them. Most plants grow from seeds. अब कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जो seeds से ही grow होते हैं, right? Seeds are of many kinds. We eat some seeds. कुछ seeds तो हम खाते हैं. For example, kidney beans, or in other words, we call it as rajma. Rajma is a kind of a seed, right? Second is rice. Rice is also a seed. Wheat, corn, black peppercorn, peas, and gram or black chana. So these all are the seeds which we eat as well. A seed has a baby plant inside it. हर seed के अंदर कोई ना कोई baby plant होता है, right? When we give proper air, water, and sunshine to that seed, a baby plant comes out. As you can see in this picture, हमने यहाँ पे soil में seed डाला, right? जब हमने उसे water दिया, तो वहां से क्या निकल कर आ रहा है? एक baby plant, right? Plant is coming out of the seed and slowly इसकी roots बन रही हैं और जैसे जैसे sunlight उस पे पड़ रही है वैसे वैसे उसमें से एक प्लांट निकल के आ रहा है, राइट? सो सीड के अंदर ही एक प्लांट होता है और वो कब निकल कर आता है? When we give proper air, water and sunlight to that seed, right? तो उसमें से एक प्लांट निकल कर आता है. Seed grows into a plant और ये जो seed है ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? एक प्लांट में. All right, student. So here is a little exercise related to this concept. The fill in the blanks, right? First is kidney bean is a seed. Yes, kidney bean is a seed. Next, mango has dash seed. How many seeds we see in the mango? One. There is only one seed in the mango. Third is big and strong plants are called as Tree. Big and strong plants are called as tree. Climbers need dash to stand. Climbers कौन से होते हैं? हमने पढ़ा था ना, जिन पे हम सपोर्ट जिनको देनी पड़ती है, दे आर कॉल्ड एज द क्लाइंबर्स, जो क्लाइंब करते हैं वॉल पे, राइट? सो क्लाइंबर्स नीड सपोर्ट. Climbers need support, right? Be careful. A rose plant has, क्या होते हैं rose plant में? Thorns. Rose plant has thorns. Last but not the least is, most fruits have dash inside them. कुछ fruits में क्या होता है उसके अंदर? Seeds. Yes, most fruits have seeds inside them. For example, kiwi. We can, if we cut the kiwi, we see small black seeds in it. And same goes with the papaya as well. जब हम papaya को कट करते हैं तो उसमें भी छोटे छोटे seeds होते हैं, right? Apples, mango, right? So most fruits have seeds inside them. All right, students, I hope you understand this concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care, and have a nice day. Thank you.